Big up for that.
TallDawg, big up. Anyway you're there, your respect on Nippy Pen.
See you there?
876, critical thinking. Big up yourself.
People, we're there again, as I say. TallDawg, how me see it. A program within the program, I don't know. It's a Badcast, not a podcast. Critical thinking 876. First of all, big up everybody where tune in. You don't know, I appreciate it. You see it. I have a tackle for the lady them today. You see what I say? So the question is, why lady them always are? I'm going to say now, friend zone, Mr. Right. You see what I say? I mean, permanent park in a friend museum, you know. I talk about a man where fix your Wi-Fi, fix your TV, fix your fridge, stove. You see me I say, listen you all your stress in a bridging. And you even give one good night text just one. Thanks bro, I'm going to bed. Peaceful. You see me I say? So tonight we are going to explore why women keep on friend zoning Mr. Right. And I'm going to tell you, you know, it's deeper than just a nice guy syndrome. You see me I say? Yeah. Somehow know a sabotage and a true love. You know the story about the both way. You know God will provide. Aye. But we're gonna get into it. Question is what we are trying to figure out is why female them keep on a friend zone. Mr. Right. Not talk about creepy youth, them, I talk about actual stable youth, you know. Man do it, you know, friend zone. You right catty them or stable catty them. You want them we actually build with you, but you don't know. We park them because they don't look like they can perhaps build family with you, know what I mean? If you know what I talk about genetics, but so we could get into it. What is the friend zone though? You see me I say? So a friend zone are like purgatory for a good man them. You see me I say, you know they in a heaven where I fear love life and you know they in a hell where she block you, you know. You just stuck right in a limbo. You see me I say a whole grocery bag and I listen to a heartbreak story from the next brother in a virgin. You ever say she ever treat you like on therapy session and she didn't even have pay one bill virgin and that's the wickedest thing. You know what I say? Call y'all midnight, call you late night, you know, you there play a game with the virgin them and she just boop, boop. Hey, listen me, first of all, me haven't been single for a minute, so you don't know. Tell me if the rules update or change. Just what I say. But as far as me remember it, just what I say, call up your advice anytime, man. Within a year, oh, you're such a good friend. You know what I say? Making can't be like you, like bitch. What wrong with me? But alright. You know what I say? I'm not lying. Sometimes a man them kind of dig them own world. You see me I say they have to available virgin. You see me I say become reliable. You see me? And that a that attraction virgin sometimes, you know what I mean? But plot twist. See, she know you would treat her right, you know. But that a problem. You see me? Cause people like predictability, you know. Some majority of people like predictability, but only after they don't get enough chaos, if you know what I mean. You see me I say she wanna explore every she wanna explore every wrong man bridging like tourist site. You see me I say? Yeah man, like and then she can second with Mr. Right. Who did they right there from the start, you know. And that a wicked part, you know. You see me I say? Yeah man, so may I get to it. Oh, I have some background music. I don't know who them people are. A live bands though. I don't know if it's a woman. I don't know if it's a man. But them are going with themselves cross the free there. Yeah, man. Oh, I have big up on yourself on the TikTok same way. As me I say, aye. But they have one topic same way. You see topics, so just big up yourself like Aquarius. Just big up. Tune in, man. You don't know Sunday episode mad. You see me I say, yeah, man. You know, when I say, man, I want to feel like for jumping with a comment and you don't know it come down. You see me? Yeah, man. So, we want to get to why she a friend zone, the good nigga. You see what me I say? Kinda real life. None of them never realize them a friend zone or man. You see me I say they never realize them a do it in a real life. It's like one defense mechanism. You see me, a good man scare them and the conversation enough of them no ready for. You see me I say? The good man remind them of commitment and vulnerability and healing. Things where they not ready for as me say. So then push him in a safe corner. I run back to a man where only text you up 1 a.m. in a day, you don't know that go. Cause you don't know a booty call. But the lead police are cheeky. You see me I say, But it's like them prefer excitement over effort, Reggie. You see me I say, but effort I mean boring, you know. Yeah, don't get me wrong, they just not used to it yet. As they get older now, they realize that they want stability. I good. Where are all the good men? That not go work. You see me I say, cause society a trick them. You see me I say, every movie, every TikTok I tell woman say, yo, if they not chase in a real. But real love and hide bridging, you not ghost you. And you definitely not wait till you single for fifth time. You see? To give you one chance. So you have to know what you know, man. And the same thing apply to you, know, man. You see me a say, cause some of we are good man in front of we are. A friend zone or cause bridging, I'm telling you personally. You see me I say, me know Cathy from high school where we are linked. Zane, you know what? Any Cathy where they see in high school where they chat up to you too much. Just a chat up to you too much. Zane, and show you look killable in a day time. They on park car. You see me worse if you no popular. Yeah man, the Cathy there on a friend zone her. You know how good as she would have built with you know focus, bright girl, you know what I mean? But on genetics now match up. She and a cutest thing in a bunch. You see me I say she could has never be cutest thing when you come out when you come outside for lunch or you know what I mean? But you know what I mean? So I see him thing when I have to accountable for a segment when I play off bridging. Friends when you know a serious thing good as a pushback of the blessings. I say when you hear the I don't remember the artist, you know, Zane, but I think I say, yo, if you think nobody wants them, just throw them out in the sea and throw them out, and you'll see that someone will have them before you can count 1, 2, 3. A serious thing, man. You see me, I say, so watch you know, me, I go run some voice note, because me ask some people for explain to me why they believe, you know, people, females friend zone is the right. And if them have no experience, would like they can share if they're brave enough. We get back a couple callers from out of the WhatsApp link up. You see me I say CT876, you don't know, lucky in the number at 876-807-1674. You see it there right just up on the screen, you don't know a thing go. You see me I say, alright, I'll get to the voice note them. Yeah, people, I saw a recording session going on. Well, actually, I wanna do it. You see me I say, but a regular day, man, when you record 1 hour 10 minutes, rascal or 6 hours of reasoning, but you don't know. You don't like information too much, you know. Now, nah, listen 6 hours of reasoning, no matter how good or how potent it be. So, we have to cut it down, because we still about 1 hour 10 minutes, but you don't know. To each his own. Yeah, big up yourself. Oh, nah. Big up yourself. They are try shot one episode for your Badcast. This a drop Sunday, about 5:36. If you don't see it 5:30, you're sure if you see it by 6. You see me? Critical Thinking 876 on the YouTube. You don't know it, Schweppes. Yeah. They are shot one, so you know I go. I look for some voice note. Remember, you can drop on the comments in the man if you don't have no thoughts on the subject, you see me? Why I don't feel like women, friend zone, good men, Mr. Right. Not talk about creep them, I talk about stable youth willing to love her and do all of the right things, and she know this. Mm-hmm. Hey, then people across the freedom and go along with themselves still. I call police if they disrupt if they continue to disrupt me recording. I told them music good. Mm-hmm. Now we'll get to it. First female and stable people them, as me I say. Yeah man, so we could hear what go on.
Friend zone, good nigga. Yes, he might have a good attribute, but probably not matching certain criteria that I have. You know, so at the smallest, it can turn someone off. And sometimes you just like who you like, or you can't force that. You have some good persons, but they make good friends, but you're not sure if they will make good lovers.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if that makes much of a sense to others, but to me it does. Yeah, I don't feel of me ever friend zoning a guy though, a good guy.
I love how she reiterate good guy still, as if it up man, you don't know what the blessings and love man. Yeah, I love how she reiterate says she know recall she ever friend zoning a good guy still. Yes, if you say, but you don't know, as we say, creeps out there, you know, so like me, I blame, you know, anybody entirely, but yeah, you see me, is a thing still for she where she kind of honest. She just say, yo, she don't know. It just not click. You know, there sometimes just is the simplest thing we show you off. Yeah, energy right, and you know say, yo, this can work, but the simplest thing we show you off. But me believe say you not really try reconsider and compromise some my time. You see me I say you need to accept peace some my time. You see me I say and through peace things can grow. You know what I mean? Yeah man, me I tell you the truth. Like you know what. We don't know a hurricane and all look for virgin. You see me I say something well wild and unpredictable every corner, you see me? Uh yeah, mama, big up yourself still, you see me? Yeah. So we hear from one of the female them, we hear from one of the male them. What theme creep on this friend zone issue, yeah. Cause girl kind wicked, you know, but man wickeder.
Alright, my bro. You see the friend zone thing is a powerful thing, you know. Especially when you forward on to female, you see it. Well, from I'm gonna say my perspective still, you see it. Because you're working everywhere, bro. That's why I'm idea where to see you, man, yeah, man. So, for the female, bro, you will find it be a case, say, yo, if somebody forward on, a nigga approach a female, and she feel him vibe, by the end of the day, the energy just not click. And probably she in the state where she a pretty long term, and she see where might be a pre some short term she more, you know, friend zone him, and then tell herself, say, oh, should we try more time? You see, test her, put them to test on them thing. But I really friend zone them thing, bro. I really believe there is nothing as friend zone, bro. I just really am to a waiting list. You see me? I'm picking harder, so she meets somebody else, and she just put them, the person that particular level on the list says it. So I don't know friend zone thing. So me see.
The one the sound feels over is a pecking order. Yeah, for real, dark Aquarius. You see me I say? For real, man. They don't have compromise in them bridging. You see me I say? And what you know? I think the issue is this, cause me say to somebody today, we as man, unless you are really that's it. Unless at high school with the virgin, we don't really know. Man not friends one woman, we not the option no so. You see what me I say? Yeah, you one cat like we all well. You see me whenever we can get the chance, you gotta take the chance. You see what me I say? Yeah. You have to really directly ill shape or ugly body. You see me I say if we say alright, I'm charge you that. Yeah, but man not really friend zone. Woman if you say umbre call you anytime, anywhere, any position, you know you're in a friend zone. You see me I say? No linkage until the random day in a week when you feel like you see me, you can't get to nobody else all night about 2 o'clock. You see me I say? You're up. That's a question. But you see me, as I say, Virgin, man not really friend zone woman when I'm a bigger man. I'm on high school and sitting there at my say we park a one cat because you just young. But as far as it compromise go, my bro, female kind of harder for compromise, man, as I say, because them feel like them a carry some whole for sitting to the table as them love tell you see me? When in reality we build the table, so me know, we never carry them, come put them ground.
Your ass is in trouble.
Yeah, I mean, so yeah, but I guess I go with the compromise situation. But I just rate where my boy say, man, them just put it on the back burner. Maybe they say we're not serious. Maybe I like when mom say, I want to sit and we throw you off. But either way, I put it on the back burner. You see me I say, yeah, no loving, no just friend zone with no rewards. You see me I say, yeah, that don't really work. That don't really work. After like 2 or 3 heartbreak, you see me I say she start to say, yo, where are like good men at like Mama, then your DM from 2010. You see me I say? It's like, where you want them do now? You see me I say? See a man them way. You used to bring your soup when you're sick. As you say something a problem, then pull up and try buy something to make you cheer up. Yeah, next one there right now, you vex. Zine, I someone get it on, if me find it, I post here someone get it on the TikTok like she say, yo, she said somebody I say we are all the happily married people. So she gonna reply one time for happily married people. Them they happily married and staying the fuck off social media.
The reason why you don't hear about healthy relationships anymore is because of the fact that those of us in healthy relationships ain't got shit to say to y'all. Because anytime we tell you what we do for our husband or what our husband does for us, y'all look for any reason to try to come up with some type of excuse or some type of narrative that we're being controlled or that we're not really happy or I would never do that. Is exactly why your miserable ass is still single, and exactly why no matter who you try to date or what you try to date, you still end up unhappy because you have this long list of what you feel like is supposed to come from a relationship, yet you don't want to be able to, like, you just want to be on the receiving end. Relationships are give and take. I can't remember the last time that I did laundry. But I will be out here taking the trash out because I don't give a fuck. I would rather take the trash out than to be downstairs doing laundry. I don't want to. I don't like laundry. But if I tell y'all, oh, yeah, I take the trash out. What? You take the trash out? You're a woman. You shouldn't be taking out the trash. That's a man's job. Your man does the laundry? You should be doing that. You're the woman. Like, when it comes to a healthy relationship, there is no gender roles. I do what I want to do and he does what he wants to do. And it ends up working out together because I do, and it just so happens that what he doesn't like to do, I don't mind doing. And what he doesn't like to do, what I don't like to do, he doesn't mind doing. Like, y'all are weird. My husband cooks probably most of the time. My husband taught me how to cook because I didn't know how to cook shit. I didn't know how to season. I was raised by the Caucasians. No offense, but I didn't know how to cook, so he taught me how to cook. He does most of the cooking, and when he gets done cooking, I serve him his plate. I serve him, and then once he's done eating, he gets up and leaves, and I take his plate, and I go there, and I clean the kitchen up. Like, the reason why we don't be talking about how good our relationship is or how healthy it is because y'all's little toxic asses be coming in there trying to say something crazy, yet y'all are the single ones.
You see me I say? Because every time they do something where show you how the female compromise with the man in the relationship or the man compromise for the female in the relationship, immediate judge. So if you not get the key, it's source to happiness and you don't want it, you don't want to judge it. But just gonna stop you though. You feel messing with just not gonna make you see with none of that. We just gonna live with happiness and malice life. You know what I mean? So on the side that to reality man. You see me I say? Yeah brother, I can't bother with the female them a text man like emotional support man dog. You see me I say? Yeah man. I tell you say, oh you're such a good guy. Any girl would be lucky to have you. Like so so what I'm telling you, my mom, that you made there so what I'm telling you, you don't need good guy. You see me I say? You see me that come like a polite funeral for your chances with G. You see me I say? But some man even see signs, bro. Cause me always tell you, there's no way me I try feel for you, my girl, and you start introduce me to all the next nigga them where you date. Your mother unless me I kill her already. And you don't know me, just know I game that. Yeah. But me I look here when I make no grounds clear and you start introduce me to I'm a friend no friend me a ratted no. No, me no friendly. You hear me I say, you don't bother with that there at all. You see me I say, yeah man, no bother with that of blouse and skirts. Wickedness. Wickedness them leveraging. Can come like volunteer, slavery. You whip. I tell you. Peace always look sexy you know, after chaos, you know what I mean? Yeah man. They say after a storm there's a calm. They might apply the principle they wrong way in their life. Them go and look for a storm. You see what I say? Eh. But I run one more day if I note ya. Yeah way. This your mom's yeah. Have to say about the situation, you see it?
Okay, so we're friends when I go nigga. It can be many reasons, but I don't know what that people know about myself. In my case, why I have friend zoned a good nigga. I wanted to protect the friendship. Like I know he was a good nigga, and he would have treated me right. But the friendship was more important to me than being in a relationship with him. Knowing me, knowing that I ain't shit sometimes, I wasn't willing to risk the friendship for that. So I just protect the friendship and me just never got a road there. Cause sometimes me not really in the right place to deal with people. I'm really rather the friendship, so I just keep the friendship rather than in a relationship I know say there's a chance that it might not work out. Isn't me?
So mom say she basically try to protect the friendship because the friendship means that much to her than a relationship with this nigga. Not losing this nigga at all means more to her than gaining possibly one of the greatest experience of her life. Hey then dog, you bright the fuck. As I go people, when you want authentic Caribbean feel, welcome to Jamaica. Mongrel dog, there you get. I'm in season, you can't tap it. Yeah people, possibly I look so Remember me I record for the podcast. I for the see me I look so live on TikTok same way, so you don't know one connection everywhere you're there you can tune in. You see me I say your voice will be heard. Yeah, so basically mom says she try to protect a friendship because she know herself and you know it might look funny, yeah, but she know how we get. And then she just don't want to lose that nigga at all. I like that. Look of it inconsiderate to how nigga feel about that decision that you have made over both of your lives. But me like that same way. You see me, what's it come with a twist of honesty. So you see me I say, but me tell you, it's a psychological thing more while. Someone woman just not really ready for the type of love one actually deserve. You get me I say? So when a man forward with genuine vibes and honesty and stability, you get nervous. You see me I say? Yeah man, it's like yeah things say yo, this too easy, man. Say nothing wrong with him. It's when me I said, no, no, a piece. He just unfamiliar, you know what I mean? I'm not biased, Cause I know some of my man them, as me tell you, say, we overlook a good cat to them just because they know they on IG a post up and some shots and thing. It's when me I say, wait, but I very big up yourself. Julian on the pan IG a post up in some shots and thing and a show revealing this and 40 man a post her and your friend them interested. I say, yo, you know, see what the cloud and the hype, they know they around her, really. You see me I say, yeah. Yeah, so that Butterberry, pick up yourself, mom. On the TikTok, say that makes sense. You may not be physically attracted to the person, but no, he's a nice guy. Well, you don't know. You see, if I say, mom, to make some, you see me? Just reason with and get some information from the male friend. Yeah, you sound like one of them, one of them. But away, love tell me about your male bestie them. You see, we have problem with our relationship too, but we learn it for the thought they get. But big up yourself, mama, respect for the way in man. Where you say, yeah man, Sunday episode of drop if you see it 5:30, 6 o'clock on the YouTube, Critical Thinking 876. You don't know? It's a podcast, not a podcast. You see me I say, but yeah man, that makes sense. You see me I say, that makes sense cause you can reason with people or humans will be, you see me I say, different aspects of it. But what me I say is, as man, we have one look more looseness for a few emotions. We reason with it too much and start get too familiar with it. It's not like reasoning with a sister. No, it's like we have a permanent wife. No, you see me I say, yeah man, one of the American TV wife, the one where you not get no sex from. You know what I mean? You just getting nagging. And you ain't gonna believe what this bitch did at work today. Yeah man, stories, you know what I mean? And you're there, so yeah, go through it, and but you still have to sleep on the couch. You know what I mean? So I did. Yeah man. Just look on the song. It myself from the start live. I think about 5 or 6 minutes in. Me I said the song yeah, explain it all. You see me? But nobody the friends only good people them. Throw them out in a way and you will see your fat before you can count. Yes, they will. Remember I said, yo, let me tell you one of the wickedest thing. When your friend zone and Cathy from high school, brethren, and then I forget nothing, brother. You see me, I say, yeah, man. You bought them up now, proper. Cause you don't know high school, maturity, puberty, none of them something else should kick in yet. Body in full shape, full form, beauty in full come out, you don't know what you're looking at. Rough work. You see me? Unless you have a keen eye for detail and a little bit of imagination, you know what I mean, and good intentions. You see me, I say, yeah, then you know what you can look at, what's the potential of these females from high school and how them going really turn out in them adult life. Brethren, if you don't have that, I'm sorry for you. Zane, and you go sub up to my friend zone moms and buck her up in her later days when she's single and ready for mingle. You? Not have a chance. Yeah, man. You not have a chance. And you deserve it. I'm not gonna lie to you, you deserve it. You see me? Me just want the song to play out. Make we get to the next voice note now. You see me and say, pain in my heart. Them people have call police sound and they start sing louder, like. You know sound like they start sing louder. Probably can't even hear my voice note.
Interesting topic. Because I have a story about myself too, but I go just tell you the conclusion, what me believe from a male perspective. Because my voice note them I go bit long still, but me feels from a male perspective why female with friend zone a good man. Me believe say you know a female have them type. You see me? Man have them type, but man tend to cycle because it tries limited if you get what I say, because me not really know how the research go, but me know say at one point the woman population to man was like three female to one man. Me could be wrong, it can be 2 female to 1 man. Isn't it? But what I'm saying is why these females with friends on a good man is because she look on him. She know, remember a female them name in a man. Them in touch with them emotions and them feelings and them something. You know? So when you have a man now where she say actually I look out for her and that the man they care. She have a friends on him because I guess at the end of the day she know how messed up she is. Because I'm a female. I know the female they rush me, you know, but we just explain a point. Them friends on him because him is not her specific type. In a female eyes, you know, him I say, yo, him could have treated her right better than the rest of man them. What she a deal with her, way. But guess what? That's the type of man she interested in. She interested in her thugs them. The man them were tough. The friends on nigga, you know. Him want a relationship with she, you know. But guess what? Him go treat her as sweetest. Him go call her. Him go wake up in the morning, say good morning, way, and you know. So me believe say the brother is too good. She don't want hurt him feelings and she don't want lose him. You see me? That this totally different from a female using a man, you know, as calling to a woman, a friend zone a man. You see me? So in this case, and she use him. She just put him in another zone because she love him, but she don't want to lose him. But she know say she don't want to deal with him because she will end up losing. If you understand what I say.
Alright. That sound like what mom did I say, last mom did I say. She know herself, so you know her.
In my story right now, I was that brother. You see me? And they say self-praise is a recommendation, but me know I'm a good nigga. Okay. You see me? Okay. And when I go to high school, from in a second farm, and when I did that in the first we big giddy. You know what I mean? Me didn't say clear. You know what I mean? Me do this is some girls on the school, and I always want to approach them as a first time. You know what I mean? But these are man me dey lack height. You see me? But that in relations to my little sickness and so, you know what I mean? So I have to go into details with that. But anyways, this female leader there in a second farm, me dey like her, you know what I mean? Me not call her name, but I like her in a second farm and me tell her.
People just easy declaration. Don't call nobody name, so I will copy and paste that and pull it up and run it 3 times just in the event that person may be watching. She will call 10 her friend them and say, hey, go look here. That sounds like when they say, hey, Kiki. Don't do it. I tell you the truth. 807-1674. Calling, texting, anything. You don't know. Welcome to the community. Critical Thinking. 876 is a podcast, not a podcast.
Every time she laugh and then they say that something. But anyways, fast forward, reach third form now and my sister should have deal with one of my brethren. And I'm like, my close brethren still, but you see me just up on here and say, yo, me not really have a be enough, play enough sloppy seconds. You know what I mean? So, me not look for myself as second to a man. You see me worse like, oh, I'm a brethren. Not my brethren, it's just that we dip on the school compound, we not see him class, and you know what I mean? So that's why I say I'm a brethren. You see me? And she take him up, but me is just a calm man. Never, me always do my thing simple, you know what I mean? Me not in a flashy thing. But then when you know a man, we put on a yellow shirt and then they sitting there, you know what I mean? Me is a man just black and white, simple like that. You see me? But me find out say she like them flashy thing. And me say me as a simple man, I go work out for her. Anyways, me reach third farmer now and she say you ain't go work. You see me? And me go to her for long and tell her, so what you know? Since the relationship thing now work. Well, me never really go to her and say relationship. Me just go to her and tell her say our friend, me like our friend. And I know that she said the link between me and her friend, you see me? Resources from this, but just to show you from second farm, basically this girl consider me as her best friend. You see me? So the relationship as a best friend start from this, so come straight back to now. You know what I mean? And over the years, dealing with her, seeing her, and everything, bro, me get to understand the type of man them where she go for.
Bad
You see me?
boys. What you
And
do?
me understand. That's why me explaining at the first part of the voice note why me come to that conclusion. And me know for a fact say yo, the type of niggas where she go for is not the type of nigga that I am. And me know say if me and her,
Know your word.
if we did to go in a the relationship where me know say me and her that fall out and very, you see me? So I feel just second for the friend zone. You see me, and just start say I'm a best friend. So right now, she ain't even my best friend, she's my sister right now. You know what I mean? Because me not pay her that the way they say. Yeah. And me still not pray the fact say at one time me did have that little feeling the fear say yeah, me and her in a relationship, but that they not rap. You see me? Because some people they might say yo, suppose she come here and say right now she feel like say Ray and she don't want to start a relationship and you know what I mean? But no man, I pray as my sister right now and I just me feel like why a woman friend zone a nigga. I could be wrong, but that's just my perspective.
Well, so you have it there. So basically the first female I agree with the first male and the second female I agree with the second male. Is the way I say short and spicy. Some of them I say I just want one little thing. Some of them I say well we turn it off and make you know say well alright. Can't really deal with that one yeah. Some of them I say and I really friends when you put on back burner. You see me I say? Yeah, some say they know themselves and know say yo them we hurt a nigga. You see me? This man elevate the thing in just bro up and done. But yeah, you see me I say it just bro up and done. You see me I say and you don't know assist that. And over years you see in sis type, you see say boy sis me need to go work for you. You see me I say but people reality I hate still, you see me I say sometimes as me say when our friend zone and a blessing and when I go see our next girl when charge you get appreciated the right way. I text a post that God did. You see what I say? Yeah man, the wickedest thing, your cousin say she set him up with her friend easy. I am 96% sure if that relationship with the friend had gone extremely well, them would be friends up to this day. Jealousy would have forward the night. Yo, like, yo, we say that a wickedest thing. When I'm alright for friend zone one nigga and tell a nigga happy. And it's not available to her no more. Then I'm gonna be like, oh. Same thing for you woman them. Is when me I say, yeah, Virgin. When you see all the warrior where you tell yourself, say, I don't know, dog for you. You see me? Settle up and lock in with the one cat where you tell yourself, say, I know for your type, that I know for your style, that. Is when me I say, and oh, they lock in. Nothing look happier than them. Dog start put on weight and chest. Mom start put on hip and breast. And you say, bumble clot, some moms live proper. Then bad man start chipping and you start looking man, girl. You have to go, boy. You have to, when you know better, you have to go. Let me tell you that blood clot there. But people, drop in the comments, wanna feel. You see me I say, and I never get friend zone yet. I never friend zone nobody. Wanna feel like women friend zone, good man. Mr. Right, to be exact.
TallDawg, yeah, God bless you from birth. You ever prosper.
Yeah.
876, critical thinking. Big up yourself.
Alright, what is
Put
this?
in the big up baddest thing.
Alright.
Break it.